so dark? I don't know why it looks so dark. Wait. That mean y'all niggas black. That's all that mean. Y'all just black. Oh, it's my phone, y'all. Sorry. Hey, look. We got Tony. I don't know what. Oh, it's the lighting in the back. It's the lighting. Right. There go Ken, everybody. We got Ken in the house.
You doing your thing, sweetheart. You doing your thing.
You see yourself? That damn light in these lights, which I adore. By the way, I love the kitchen.
Happy birthday.
I love the kitchen. I should have been in there. I'd have blew it out for you guys. I'm telling you. Oh yeah, I'd have tried to blow it out.
Right now.
Bye guys. Hey, this guy right here almost gave him some. You know what? You know, we gotta talk about old times. Okay, I ain't gonna say his name. But this is my friend. Okay, look, I almost.